Here is the complete, full-length, paraphrased version of the entire video script in English. I have rewritten every single section from start to finish, ensuring the scientific data and philosophical depth remain identical to the original, but the wording is entirely new to avoid copyright issues. The Cosmic Abyss, a full analysis. 1. The psychology of celestial terror. The reality of our universe is far more bizarre than we can conceive. In every direction, spanning across distances that the human mind cannot truly grasp, lies the vastness of space. For some, this expanse is a source of wonder. For others, it is a source of paralyzing dread. This specific fear is termed astrophobia or cosmophobia. What makes space so frightening is the element of the unknown. Yet, paradoxically, the more we discover, the more terrifying the universe becomes. Our scientific progress doesn't make the cosmos feel safer. Instead, it reveals environments so hostile that they make our worst nightmares seem like a sanctuary. We are surrounded by a void of nothingness, separated by monstrous objects that defy the laws of our everyday reality. 2. The gas giants, Jupiter's fury. We often imagine planets as solid, stable ground. However, most worlds are gaseous behemoths that are fundamentally alien to our experience. Take Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. It is 11 times wider than Earth. If Earth were the size of a grape, Jupiter would be a basketball. It is so massive that it could contain 1,300 Earths. If our planet ever drifted into Jupiter's gravitational grip, we would be torn apart and absorbed, vanishing like a drop of ink in a vast ocean. A journey into Jupiter would be a descent into a lightless nightmare, falling through thousands of miles of toxic swirling clouds, with winds howling at hundreds of miles per hour. Eventually, you would sink into a planet-wide ocean of glowing, white-hot liquid metallic hydrogen. There is no solid surface to land on. There is only the crushing descent. 3. Exoplanets, the world of sideways glass. Beyond our sun, there are estimated to be 200 billion planets in our galaxy alone, and perhaps 2 trillion galaxies in the universe. Among these quintillions of worlds are hellscapes that surpass anything in our solar system. One such world is HD 189333b. From a distance, it appears as a serene cobalt blue marble, but this beauty hides a horrific reality. Temperatures reach 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and winds scream at 5,400 miles per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. These supersonic winds carry a permanent storm of molten glass shards, blowing them sideways across the planet. To step onto this world is to be caught in a fiery crystalline hurricane that would shred any known material in seconds. 4. Stellar titans and black holes. The stars we see as tiny lights are actually engines of unimaginable power. Our sun is massive, but it is average compared to giants like WOHG 64. This red supergiant has a radius 1,600 times larger than our sun. If placed in the center of our solar system, its body would engulf every planet out to the orbit of Jupiter. When such stars die, they leave behind the most terrifying objects in existence: black holes. After a supernova explosion, the core collapses into a singularity, a point of infinite density where the fabric of space and time breaks down. The largest of these, TON 618, is 240 billion miles wide. It is a gravitational monster the size of 11 solar systems, consuming entire galaxies and shining with the light of 100 trillion stars, marking a place where the universe effectively stops existing. 5. The Great Nothing and the Final Silence. The most staggering aspect of the cosmos is the void. Supervoids, such as the Boötes void, are regions of nearly absolute nothingness spanning 330 million light-years. This emptiness creates a sense of cosmic claustrophobia. Compounding this is the fact that the universe is expanding. We are currently racing through space at 1.3 million miles per hour. Eventually, expansion will push galaxies so far apart that they will become invisible to us. Future civilizations will look at a black sky and believe their own galaxy is all that has ever existed. As distance grows, our knowledge fades, leaving us to search for landmarks among ghostly errors of measurement. 6. The legacy of the Voyagers. Humanity has sent messengers into this dark, the Voyager 1 and 2 probes. Launched in 1977, they carry golden records filled with our music, sounds, and greetings. These probes will drift for billions of years, potentially outlasting the Earth itself. They will be the final ghosts of humanity. Ultimately, the universe itself faces an end. Energy will dissipate, the voids will expand, and a final darkness will consume everything. As H.P. Lovecraft wrote, we live on a placid island of ignorance in the midst of black seas of infinity. The piecing together of our knowledge may one day reveal a reality so terrifying that we might flee from the light into the safety of a new dark age. 7. Conclusion. The gift of presence. Though the universe is vast and indifferent, this realization can be a blessing. It highlights the miracle of our existence. You are alive on a planet that does not shred you with glass or crush you with gravity. You are positioned perfectly in time and space to experience consciousness, love, and wonder. The same sun that could kill you instead provides life and beauty from this distance. The ride is terrifying, but it is a privilege to be on it. Open your eyes and embrace the wonder of being alive while you still can.